How to add a second language to Google Assistant and switch languages easily. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, simply scroll down and you'll find Google. Click on Google in here. After you've clicked on Google, click on All Services in here. Then scroll down and search for Assistant. You'll find Search, Assistant, and Voice. Click on it. In here, click on Google Assistant. Then in here, which is the second option, Language, click on it. Then click on Add a Language. You'll find different languages available. Select the one you prefer. And you will be able to switch easily with this language. And this is how to add a second language to Google Assistant and switch languages easily. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.